Alright, so we're going to be using our burette to titrate our sodium hydroxide down to our solution of KHP and water. We've primed the pipette 3 times with distilled water, 3 times with our sodium hydroxide. Now we filled it with sodium hydroxide. We're going to measure our initial volume, 6.41 will be our initial volume. Now I'm going to release by turning the stopcock parallel while Corey swirls my flask. Alright, so now that we have a light pink solution in our flask, we're going to record our final volume, which will be 43.27. And we're always going to measure these from the meniscus, which is the bottom of our bevel, the bottom of the line as it lays in the graduated cylinder.
We're about to do our second trial of the titration by adding the sodium hydroxide to the KHP solution. Again, we measure from the bottom of the meniscus, which is the lowest point. It's about 0.80 milliliters. And now, while stirring the solution, we're about to add the sodium hydroxide to the KHP solution until it gets a light pink hue. After we finally got a light pink hue, we take the final volume by reading from the bottom of the meniscus. It's about 34.72.
Alright, we're about to start our first trial with the soda. We have primed it 3 times with water and 3 times with sodium hydroxide, and now we have filled it with sodium hydroxide, and we'll measure the initial volume at the bottom of the meniscus. The initial volume is approximately 4.91. Now we will begin to turn the stopcock in the vertical position to let it drip while Amanda swirls it until we see a color change. Added it to the solution, and now we've got a light pink hue, so now we'll take the final volume. The final volume is approximately 11.91.
I'll take 2 of our soda titration, and we've primed our burette 3 times with water, 3 times with sodium hydroxide, and now we're going to look at the meniscus to find our initial volume, and we have 1.25 at the meniscus. Now we're going to turn the stopcock vertically, and while Andrew swirls and look for a pink hue color change. And now we're going to look for our final volume, and we have 7.28.